Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran, and you know what time it is? New Music Friday. Now, first up, Kemar Highcon surprises fans with a tell-all track, Grand Theft Auto. Highcon is a free man and is wasting no time, as last night the DJ via his Instagram stories said, quote, "Nothing nicer than freedom, respect to everyone that reached out," end quote, hinting to his recent arrest. Now on Friday morning, the Sauce Boss revealed all in the track Grand Theft Auto, a collab with dancehall heavyweight TVJ. The track seemingly confirms the story that his arrest was a love triangle. According to Broward County Public Records, Kemar Highcon was arrested in Florida in May and charged with Grand Theft Auto, which is a third-degree felony. He was facing up to 5 years in prison and possible deportation. Buju Banton has a sipping. The Grammy-winning artist today released his catchy new single entitled Coconut Water. Sip via his Gargamel Music and label Rock Nation Records, Def Jam Records.
Coconut water, sip, 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 good for your heart. Sip, 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 something make you feel tough when you want fryers. How do you see your friend them and them have the bangers? Broke them like bread and put them under heavy manners.
Coconut Water Sip follows Buju's collab with Snoop Dogg, High Life, which has over 1 million streams. Buju is also working on his upcoming album. Young artist Noah Issa sees his first entry on the charts. The artist is seeing success with his 2022 collab with Grammy-winning artist Shaggy, dubbed Legendary. The track has moved to number 4 on the US Reggae iTunes chart. For the track, both Noah and Shaggy gave rapid-firing DJ over a bass-heavy 9 Russ. Now, Post Malone recently dropped the first single from his upcoming self-titled album, Austin. The bittersweet anthem Morning sees a more vulnerable Malone as he opens up about his scheduled for release this July. Post Malone is to embark on his US summer tour starting in Indiana this weekend and wrapping in August in California. I'm Daedran with the weekend edition of E Prime. Keep safe. I'll see you next week.